What's up everyone? Today I'm gonna teach you how to connect a database to your file, your PHP file. So I'm gonna go ahead and open Laragon. You can use XAMPP also. We're gonna open the database section, the HeidiSQL MySQL. We're gonna make a new database. You can name it whatever you really want. It suggests to do underscore and db at the end. Okay, so let's go to the database file. Let's open the database with the database rules and lines. I mean the PHP rules. Okay, so now we need to type the database server. You can put localhost if you're hosting on local server. If you host it on like hosting websites, you need to change to that hosting websites, or also the user and password and everything. So go ahead and enter the user root. Since we are using the local host, we go to the database password. We don't have one database, so we move on to the database name. So we go ahead and put the name that we made the database. In this instance is a site database. I already had it copied. Now for it to connect, now we have to go to connection variable. Okay, now we type MySQL underscore connect. Now we're gonna put every like we need to put database server, database user, database password, and database name. So we're gonna ahead and type them all. Okay, now it's ready to connect, so let's test it now if it's active. So the way to test it, there's many ways, but let's do the simple way. We can do a if statement, we do the connection, and we do the echo to type words, so we can say the database is connected. And if it's not connected, we do the else again. Now we do the echo, and we can type the database is not connected. Okay, all ready, so let's go test it right now. Yes, the database is connected. Perfect. So let's go to the index.php. Let's do the structure. Now we can put the PHP opening. And now for it to connect to database, so we don't add here the database, we need to include and add the database.php there. And it will be all connected. Hopefully if we didn't make any mistakes. Let's go print something real quick like hello world. Okay, let's go now to the index.php. Yep, as you can see, it's all connected. Thank you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.